This healthy pineapple cake is loaded with flavorsome pineapple and topped with decadent fresh cream. You could definitely taste a summertime on a plate. This Healthylicious pineapple cake is gluten free and refined sugar free. It is the perfect celebration cake for religious fasting like Ekadashi. By the way, if you are new to my channel, hello there. Welcome to Healthylicious Bites. Make sure you subscribe and click that notification bell for healthy and delicious recipes. Alright, let's make this ultimate gluten free pineapple cake. Like always, the measurements are given below, so be sure to check that. Let's begin to prepare our dry ingredients. To keep this gluten free, I am using buckwheat flour and almond flour. Take a big bowl and shifter. Let's take a buckwheat flour, then add almond flour, bicarb soda, and salt to taste. Take your time to nicely shift this flour and remove the lumps to make this flour airy and light. Repeat once or twice if required. Also, don't forget to add your remaining dry ingredient while shifting it. That's done. Let's keep it aside and prepare our wet ingredients. In a large bowl, let's take a room temperature butter, microwave it to make soft and melting. Once it is melted, add the buttermilk to the same bowl along with maple syrup and vanilla. Now it's time to add chopped pineapple. Let's combine dry and wet ingredients. Mix well. Use beater if you need it. And if it is little dry, then add the tiny splash of milk. Divide the mixture in an already prepared baking tin. Let's divide the mixture into thirds. You can also bake your cake in a single pan. In that case, cooking time will depend on the size of your cake tin and oven. Preheat oven for 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. Now let's bake our cake for about 20 to 30 minutes or until it is risen and inserted skewers comes out clean. Give real good attention to the cake while baking because an extra 10 minutes will make your cake little drier. After our cakes are completely cooled down, let's remove them from baking tray. Enjoy this cake for tea time by dusting little sweetener or sugar or decorate with your desired frosting for a celebration cake. It is Father's Day here, so I'm going to decorate my cake with dehydrated pineapple flowers and sprinkles. I'm going for a nude look today, which also complement well with the Father's Day theme and also require very less frosting. I already made this fresh cream frosting with the monk fruit sweetener. Let's layer this cake with fresh cream and add some pineapple pieces. Repeat this step for all 2 layers. Let's crumb coat the cake with tiny bit of frosting before we refrigerate it for 20 minutes. Take out from the fridge and let's apply the remaining frosting to give a nice look. Finally, decorate with some flower or fresh pineapple I'm decorating it with dehydrated pineapple flowers. Wow, cake is looking really beautiful and delicious. Plus, no one can guess it. It is actually a flourless cake. The last thing remaining is to enjoy this luscious beauty. So, no more excuses, guys, not to have your cake on a special day. If you make this beauty, make sure to tag us on the Insta and leave a comment. I hope you have enjoyed today's recipe. Be sure to like and share your love for cooking with friends and family. I'll see you in next video. Until then, stay happy and have a healthy, delicious day.